أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن محمدا رسول
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin wa salatu wa salamu ala Rasulihil Kareem wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in wa man tabi'ahum bi ihsanin ila yawmiddin. Ridwanullahi alaihim ajma'in, amma ba'd. Ad-Darsu Samin Ashar, Lesson 18. Aina turidina an tadhhabi ba'da Salatil Asri. Hamid to his wife is asking his wife, Aina, where, turidina, do you want, an tadhhabi, to go. An tadhhabi, where do you want to go? Tadhhabina, noon has fallen because of an. If an, lan, kai, idan, li, hatta, all these 6 particles, when they are before the muzari, when they occur before the muzari, noon will fall. The same way here, tadhhabina becomes an tadhhabi ba'da salatil asri, after the asr prayer. Aina turidina an tadhhabi ba'da salatil asri, where do you want to go after asr prayer? Uridu an azura jaratana, uridu an azura jaratana allati zaratni amsi. I want to visit, I want to meet our neighbor who visited me yesterday. Jara, lady neighbor, jaratana. I want to visit or meet our lady neighbor who visited me yesterday. Ayumkinuki an tarji'i qabla salatil maghribi. Can you return before maghrib prayer? Yumkinuki an tarji'i, is it possible for you to return from, is it possible for you to return before maghrib prayer? Yumkinu insha'allahu, possible insha'Allah. Arju an taghsili qamisiyal abiyada. I request you to wash my shirt, my white shirt. I request you to wash my white shirt. Qamisiyal abiyada, qamisi al abiyad. Qamisi al abiyad means my white shirt. Ba'da ruju'iki min indil jarati. I request you to wash my white shirt after your return from the neighbor. Sa'aghsiluhu, I will wash it. Waqvihi, and I will iron it, I will press it. Inshallah. Kawayakvi, iron the dresses. Aina turiduna an tadhhabul ana ya abnai, where do you want to go? Listen, here too an comes before tadhhabuna, So noon has fallen. The noon which was there has fallen. Aina turiduna an tadhhabu. Alana ya abnai. Where do you want to go now, O ya abnai, O my sons? Nadhhabul ana ilal masjidi. We go to the masjid now. Wa ba'da salati, and after prayer, nuridu an nadhhaba ila suqi. After prayer, nuridu, we want, an nadhhaba, to go, ila suqi, to the market. Li, for, li nashtariya, for buying, aqlaman, pens, a few pens actually. Aqlaman wa dafatira, notebooks, wa masatira, and rulers or scales. نذهب الآن إلى المسجد وبعد الصلاة نريد أن نذهب إلى السوق لنشتري أقلاما ودفاتر ومساطر. أين زملاؤكم? Where are your classmates? ما جاءوا اليوم لزيارتكم كعادتهم كل أسبوع. They did not come today to meet you as per their habit. كعادتهم, as usually, as per their habit. كل أسبوع, every week. أين زملاؤكم? Where are your classmates? ما جاءوا اليوم, they didn't come today to لزيارتكم, to meet you all, كعادتهم, as per their habit, كل أسبوع, every week. أرادوا أن يأتوا اليوم إلى المتحف. They all wanted to go today to the museum. Al-Mutahaf. Mutahaf means museum. Ya banati, ana al-ana adhabu ila al-mustashfa li iyadati Salma. O my daughters, ana al-ana, I adhabu ila al-mustashfa, I am going to the hospital now. Li iyadati, ada Yahud. Iyada means to inquire the sickness. Liyada. Liyadati Salma. To inquire the sick. Liyada. Liyadati Salma. To visit the sick Salma. Aturidna an tadhhabna ma'i. Do you all want to go with me? Naam. ماذا تريدن أن تأخذن لها? What do you want to take for her? البنات نريد أن نأخذ معنا علبة الحلوى هذه. We want to take with us this tin of sweets. إن سلمى تحب هذه الحلاوة كثيرا. Indeed, Salma loves these sweets very much. Indeed, Salma loves these sweets very much. هذه الحلاوة كثيرا. أتريدن أن تأخذن شيئا آخر? Do you all want to take any other thing? نريد أن نأخذ هذه المجلة. We want to take this magazine وهذا الكتاب and this book وهذه الملابس and these dresses. أرجو, I request, ألا تأخذن هذه الأشياء كلها. I request you not to take. Allah and plus la. Allah تأخذن, I request you not to take هذه الأشياء كلها, all these things, all these things. These things, kullaha, it is emphasized, all these things. Fa innal mustashfa, because indeed the hospital, la yasmahu, will not allow bidukhuli, to enter, ashiya kasiratin, many things. Entry of many things will not be allowed actually. Fa'innal mustashfa, because indeed the hospital will not allow entry of many things. Aina Khadijatu wa Aishatu wa Ummu Kulsum ayuridna an yadhhabna ma'ana. Where is Khadija, Aisha, Ummu Kulsum? Ayuridna an yadhhabna ma'ana. Do they want to go with us? Ihdal banati, one of the girls, la adri aina hunna, I don't know where they are. Adunnu annahum ma raja'na min al madrasati, I think that they ma raja'na, they are not returned, they did not return from the school. Hayya bina ya banat, come along. Hayya bina, come along, O daughters. Hayya bina, come along. It is ismul fail. It is ismul fail. That is, it works like fail, but it is a ism.